Mastering quality control standards. Fix it fast, or face the flaws forever. When an organization identifies a nonconformity or an opportunity for improvement, what is its process for implementing corrective actions to eliminate the root cause of the issue and preventive actions to prevent its recurrence, ensuring that these actions are properly documented, verified, and validated to maintain operational excellence and conform to quality control standards? To ensure operational excellence and conformity to quality control standards, an organization should establish a well-defined process for implementing corrective actions and preventive actions when a nonconformity or opportunity for improvement is identified. This process should be rigorous, systematic, and transparent, with clear roles and responsibilities assigned to ensure that the root cause of the issue is eliminated and recurrence is prevented. Step 1. Initial reporting and notification. When a nonconformity or opportunity for improvement is identified, the individual responsible for identifying the issue should report it to their supervisor or designated quality personnel via a standardized reporting mechanism, such as an electronic reporting system or a quality management software. The report should include a clear description of the issue, its location, and any relevant background information. Step 2. Initial assessment and classification. The quality personnel will conduct an initial assessment to classify the nonconformity or opportunity for improvement based on its severity, impact, and frequency. This classification will help prioritize the corrective actions and allocate resources accordingly. The severity of the issue will be categorized as minor, major, or critical, depending on its potential impact on product quality, customer satisfaction, or regulatory compliance. Step 3. Root cause analysis, RCA. A cross-functional team, led by a quality engineer or designated personnel, will conduct a thorough root cause analysis, RCA, to identify the underlying causes of the nonconformity or opportunity for improvement. The RCA will involve a systematic approach, using tools such as fishbone diagrams, 5-why analysis, or SWOT analysis, to identify the primary and contributing causes of the issue. Step 4. Corrective action planning. Based on the findings of the RCA, the cross-functional team will develop a corrective action plan, which should include the following elements: a clear description of the corrective action to be taken, the responsible personnel for implementing the corrective action, the targeted completion date for the corrective action, the resources required to implement the corrective action, the verification and validation criteria to ensure the effectiveness of the corrective action. Step 5. Corrective action implementation. The corrective action plan will be implemented by the designated personnel, with regular progress monitoring and reporting to ensure that the actions are being taken as planned. The implementation phase should include a clear change management process to ensure that all stakeholders are informed and trained on any changes resulting from the corrective action. Step 6. Verification and validation. Once the corrective action has been implemented, the organization should verify and validate its effectiveness in eliminating the root cause of the nonconformity or opportunity for improvement. This phase should involve a systematic review of the corrective action to ensure that it has achieved the desired outcome and that the issue has been fully resolved. Step 7. Preventive action planning. To prevent recurrence of the nonconformity or opportunity for improvement, the organization should identify and implement preventive actions. These actions should be designed to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future and should be based on the lessons learned from the RCA and corrective action implementation. Step 8. Preventive action implementation. The preventive actions will be implemented by the designated personnel, with regular progress monitoring and reporting to ensure that the actions are being taken as planned. The implementation phase should include a clear change management process to ensure that all stakeholders are informed and trained on any changes resulting from the preventive action. Step 9. Document control and record keeping. All corrective and preventive actions should be properly documented and recorded in a centralized quality management system or database. This will ensure that all stakeholders have access to the information and that the organization can track the effectiveness of its corrective and preventive actions. Step 10. Management review and continuous improvement. The organization's management should review and evaluate the effectiveness of the corrective and preventive actions on a regular basis, as part of its quality management system. This review should identify opportunities for continuous improvement and ensure that the corrective and preventive actions are aligned with the organization's overall quality objectives. Step 11, Closure and Verification. Once the corrective and preventive actions have been implemented and verified, the nonconformity or opportunity for improvement should be closed, and the quality personnel should verify that the issue has been fully resolved. To ensure that the process is robust and effective, the organization should establish clear roles and responsibilities, provide adequate training and resources, and ensure that the process is audited and evaluated regularly. By following this process, an organization can ensure that it has a robust and effective corrective and preventive action process in place, which is essential for maintaining operational excellence and conforming to quality control standards.